Hello editing squad and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can edit your photos from this to this in Lightroom mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the very end and follow each step. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then click on the subscribe button below and press the bell notification icon to get the latest updates whenever I post a new video. Import the photo in Lightroom. Increase the exposure to positive 0.21. Change the contrast to positive 38. Decrease the highlights to negative 49. Increase the shadows to positive 67. Decrease the whites to negative 32. Increase the blacks to positive 30. In the temperature section, increase the temperature to positive 6. Decrease the tint to negative 8. Increase the vibrance to positive 41. Increase the saturation to positive 25. In the color section, for orange, decrease the hue to negative 20 and the saturation to negative 18. For yellow, decrease the hues to negative 31 and increase the saturation to positive 57. For green, decrease the hues to negative 61 and increase the saturation to positive 77. For aqua, increase the hues to positive 27 and the saturation to positive 25. For blue, increase the hues to positive 19 and the saturation to positive 20. Keep the rest as it is. In the color grading section, select the shadows, midtones, highlights, and global tones as shown in the video. Make sure to adjust the blending value, balance, and luminance of all three of those as shown in the video. The exact values for all of these are provided in the description below. In the next section, decrease the texture to negative 25. Increase the clarity to positive 32. Increase the details to positive 23. Add a vignette of negative 12 and increase the highlights to positive 30. Now export the photo to your device. That was all for today, guys. Share your thoughts about this editing in the comments section. Let me know how would you have edited this photo. I will do my best to respond to all the comments. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, then click on the like button and press the subscribe button and bell notification icon below to get notified whenever I post a new video. Until next time, peace out.